Hello dear students, welcome again. Our today's topic is circle. In this topic, we have to discuss these points: radius, chord, diameter, circumference of a circle, relationship between circumference and diameter, arc of the circle and central angle of the circle. So dear students, let's start our topic, circle. What is circle? Circle is a closed figure. It has no curves or edges. It is a round shaped figure. See, circle is a round shaped figure. It has a set of points which are at fixed distance from the center. Suppose this O is the center of the circle and P is any point on the circle. Okay, circle is a set of points. P is any point on the circle, and if I join OP, this segment OP is the radius of the circle. So radius is what? Radius is the line segment joining from center to any point on the circle. Suppose I take point A here and join OA. Again, OA is radius of the circle. Line segment joining from center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. If segment OP is 5, then OA is also 5 because radius are equal. It is equidistance from center to any point of the circle. Okay. Now, what is chord? Suppose point A is here. I take another point, point B. And I join these 2 points, again we get a line segment BA. Line segment BA. It is the line segment joining between any 2 points. Okay. So distance between any 2 points on the circle, line segment joining any 2 points on the circle, it is the chord of the circle. So segment BA is chord. Now, see, this is O is the center of the circle. I take point M here and point O here. Point O is the center and point N here. Again, I join these 2 points M and N, which lie on the circle. So I join segment MN. MN is also a chord because it is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. BA is a chord. It is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Like that, MN is also a chord. It is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. But this line segment, this chord is passing through the center. This chord MN is passing through the center. Therefore, MN is called as the diameter of the circle. MN is the diameter of the circle and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay, these are the basic terms regarding the circle: radius, chord and the diameter. Next is what? Circumference of the circle. Now I draw a circle here. O is center of the circle here. Okay. Now what is, we have to understand circumference of a circle. Circumference is the distance around the circle. In fact, we can say that it is a perimeter of the circle. Circumference is the distance around the circle. If we open this circle and make a straight line out of it, the length of it is the circumference of the circle. So circumference is what? It is the measurement of the boundary of the circle, and the circumference is denoted by a letter C. Diameter is denoted by a letter D, and diameter is equal to 2 into R. Twice of radius. Diameter is twice of radius. If radius is 5 cm, diameter will be a 10 cm. Diameter is always twice of the radius. Circumference is the measurement of the boundary of the circle, and generally it is measured in the units meter or centimeter. Okay, so circumference is the measurement of the boundary of the circle. Now what is the relation between circumference and the diameter? Okay, so circumference is the measurement of the boundary of the circle. Now we have to understand the relation. The circumference of any circle, the ratio of circumference of any circle to the diameter is always constant. We can write C upon D is equal to constant. This is the relation between circumference of any circle to the diameter of the circle. So, किसी भी circle का circumference, ratio of circumference and the diameter, ratio of circumference and diameter is always constant, and this constant is represented by a Greek letter pi. Okay, so C upon D is equal to pi. We can write C is equal to pi D, or D is equal to 2r. So we can write, we get the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula for finding the circumference of the circle. It is the measurement of the boundary of the circle. This is the formula for finding the circumference of the circle, where pi is a constant and the value of pi is always taken as 3.14 or 22 upon 7. This is the approximate value of pi, 3.14 or 22 upon 7. By using this formula, we can calculate the circumference of the circle like that. Suppose the radius of circle is 14 centimeter. Okay, and now we have to find the circumference of the circle. Which formula we will use? C is equal to 2 pi r is equal to r is 14 centimeter, pi we have to take 22 upon 7, 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 14. Listen students, sometimes it is not mentioned the value of pi there. In that case, you have to learn the value of pi constant 3.14 or 22 upon 7. So I take here 22 upon 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So we get the answer 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 2, that is 88. 44 multiplied by 2 is equal to 88. C is equal to 88 centimeter. Though radius we have given in the centimeter, therefore circumference is 88 centimeter. In this way we can calculate the circumference of the circle. In this way we can solve the problems based on the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. This is the standard formula. But if sometimes diameter we have given, so in that case we can use the formula C is equal to pi d, where pi is a constant and the value of pi is, approximate value of pi is 3.14 or 22 upon 7. This is all about the circumference of the circle. Now we have to understand the arc of the circle. Now we have to understand arc of the circle. This is a circle. I take point A here on the circle and point B again on the circle. I join this segment AB. It forms chord because it's a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So this chord divides the circle into 2 parts. We get 2 parts of the circle. This part is a smaller part and one part is a bigger part. So this portion of the circumference AB, smaller portion of this circumference AB is called as the arc AB, and it is called as the minor arc, and this bigger portion of the circumference AB, it is called as the major arc. Okay, so arc AB here and arc AB here. So to avoid confusion, we take one more point A and B, and here A and B. So we get 2 arcs, arc A and B and arc A and B. So it is arc A and B is minor arc we call as, and A and B, this arc A and B we call as the major arc. Arc A and B, why it is called as the major arc? It forms a bigger part of the circumference of the circle, and these 2 arcs we call as the corresponding arcs. These 2 arcs are corresponding arcs because see the end points of arc A and B, and end point of arc A and B, their end points are same. Therefore these arcs, minor arc and major arc A and B we call as the corresponding arc. Now suppose MN is what? Diameter of the circle. O is the center, MN is the diameter, it is passing through the center. This chord MN is passing through the center, therefore it is the diameter of the circle. Now this MN again divides the circle into 2 parts, but now this time these parts are equal parts. Okay, this MN divides the circle in 2 equal parts. So therefore these arcs, again we get arcs portion of the circumference. So here I take point A and here I take point B. So again we get 2 arcs, arc MAN and arc MBN. But now these arcs, we get 2 equal parts of the circle, and therefore this arc MAN an arc MBN. These two arcs, though these are the two equal parts of the circle, we get two arcs MAN and MBN. These arcs are called as the semicircular arc. It forms two semicircle now, MAN, MBN, and therefore these arcs are called as the semicircular arc. This arc are called as the semicircular arc. Now you know the measurement of the complete circle is 360 degree. The measurement of this complete circle, this is called as, this measurement is 360 degree. So what will be the measurement of this semicircular arc? If the measure of this complete circle is 360 degree, so measure of this semicircular arc is 180 degree. So this is about the arc of the circle. Now we have to understand what is central angle of the circle. Last topic of this chapter. Now we have to understand central angle. Central angle is what? It is the angle whose vertex is the center of the circle. Suppose this is O is the center of the circle. Okay. Point A here on the circle. Point B here on the circle. Join OA and OB. We get angle AOB. Okay. This angle AOB is central angle. Why it is a central angle? Because its vertex. What is the vertex of this angle AOB? O. Vertex is center of the circle. This O is the center of the circle. The किसी भी angle का vertex अगर center है, then that angle is a central angles, and this angle is intercepted by arc AB. And the measure of the central angle AOB is equal to the measure of the arc intercepted by it. So suppose if I take point X here, so measurement of central angle AOB is equal to measurement of arc AXB. Okay, suppose this central angle AOB is 60 degree, what will be the measure of this arc AXB? It is a minor arc. It is also 60 degree, and this is a minor arc. What will be the measure of this major arc? Again we have a formula. The measure of major arc is equal to, we can calculate, because we know that the measurement of complete circle is 360 degree, and this minor arc we have given, we can calculate minor arc. If central angle is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, we get the formula measure of the major arc. If we have to calculate major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of minor arc. This is the formula for calculating the measurement of major arc. Okay, dear students, what will be the measurement of the major arc then? If it is 60 degree, what will be the measurement of the major arc? 360 minus 60. So it will be 300 degree. This is, in this way we can calculate the measure of the major arc, minor arc. We can calculate the problems based on the arcs of the circle or measure of the arcs of the circle. So dear students, I hope you understood the topic well. Thank you.